Mabubuhay na sila, guys. Nako po. Ang low HP na kayo, ba't ayaw nyo kasi umuwi? Woo! Let's go! Grabe! Woo! Ay, dumilim. Grabe, dumilim. Champion, guys! Yes!
Too late to protect Yasuke at all costs. He's already
Ganda ng game nila dito, guys.
falling behind. He's 2 levels
3-0 na
behind.
ang ang laban. Isang panalo na lang ng Aurora yun.
Everyone, you need to just stop. You gotta slow down. Maybe even give up the second turtle.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Slam.
Oh, like that's where everybody stands to him now.
Sakit. Grabe, sakit nila.
Back, it's gonna be on to light. He goes.
Oh! Muntik na. Swerte mo, wala kang flicker, ha?
Aurora, don't lose anything.
Ay, kalaya pala yun. Wala nga siyang flicker.
Nice jump damage, but once again, it's still not enough. Alter ego.
It reminds me of M5.
When it's very clear to all of us that they can't.
When Nino starts joining these big 5v5s,
It
things might
reminds me
change.
of
I'm looking at how his Infernal Pursuit might kind of compromise light.
Okay, guys. Yun na.
Yasuke, take a look at
Uy, end the ball na ba? Ay, hindi pa. Walang minion, gagi kayo. Wait lang. Gagi, wag. End the ball. Wow! Okay. Gagi, mabubuhay na si Nino. Mabubuhay na sila, guys. Nako po. Ang low HP na kayo, ba't ayaw nyo kasi umuwi? Woo! Let's go! Grabe! Woo! Ay, dumilim. Grabe, dumilim. Champion, guys! Yes! Champion na, guys, ang ating representative of the Philippines, Aurora Gaming PH, guys. Congratulations! Woo! Boy, ayaw ah. Grabe, parang naalala ko yung M6. Grabe! Parang normal celebration na, di masyado ano. Congrats, guys, congrats. The best.
Few setbacks
The best. Pilipinas lang malakas.
with lights shining brighter than ever.
Pilipinas lang malakas.
That's in your eyes. Now, let them see you claim what is yours.
Boys,
Yan na. Bilangin nila. Sila na rin maglilift ng trophy, guys. Katulad ng ginagawa ng mga dating Grand Champions. Excited na siya, oh. Ayan na, guys. Umasa pa kayo, AE, ah.
3, 2, 1.